comes all the power trucks and the tree trucks. We've been seeing them for days on end. Hundreds of them going through the storms. Just hundreds of them, literally, coming through. This is no joke. The front of the store, the front of the Loves, there's a whole bunch of them. And now they're going over to the fuel aisle where the trucks are, so that way they can fuel up.
For free.
Yeah, they get everything for free. Diesel, lodging, food, everything for free. Here comes a lot more. They're all coming in, so I mean, I can't make a really long video or I won't be able to post it, but I'm sure you guys get the ideas that they're all coming in.